look at yourself. Don't go back to basics.
I have a fail-proof recipe that will make sure your puff puff comes out looking this yummy and soft every single time. So watch this video to the end.
It's just better to cook it yourself. Delicious.
All you need for it is flour, sugar, instant yeast, grated nutmeg, salt, and lukewarm water. To a big bowl, pour your sieved plain flour, add in your sugar. I'm using instant yeast. Add in your nutmeg and salt. Mix the dry ingredients together to combine well before adding water. Add in your water bit by bit and mix until you have a consistency a little thicker than smoothie. Continue mixing your batter until it has no lumps. Cover your batter and keep in a warm place to rise for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. This is determined by how hot where you are is. To a deep pot, add your oil of choice. Don't go more than halfway through the pot to prevent it from boiling over while you're frying your puff puff. Here is my doubled in size batter. Scoop some dough into the hot oil. Place your hand close to the rim of the pot to prevent the oil from splashing, just like my first scoop. To get that rounded puff puff shape, make sure your oil is hot enough first, then use a pinching process by pressing your index finger against your thumb to release batter into the oil. Repeat this process until you have enough in the oil. Once the puff puff is brown on one side, turn it to fry on the other side and repeat the same process until your batter is finished. Gently scoop out your yummy puff puff and enjoy hot. The ingredients list is in the caption. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and save to watch for later.